Hi everyone, Miroslav from Nech Empire, and today I want to make a little bit of an unusual video. I want to get into a topic that is quite technical, but still related to print-on-demand business and may affect everyone who is selling through Redbubble or any other POD platform. In this video, I will show you how Google is de-indexing tons of design listings and hurting many Redbubble sellers right now. It can be a reason why are you not getting enough sales even when you have done everything correctly. I started this YouTube channel as a side project where I want to show other people that SEO and Redbubble are strongly connected and you can make significant changes in traffic and sales when doing SEO correctly on your product listings. And I still really believe that keyword research and following search engine optimization are hugely important to get external traffic to Redbubble or any other POD platform. I have many years of experience with building websites and ranking articles, and I think I can implement these strategies I have learned to my Redbubble and Spreadshirt projects. Because I have multiple websites which are core of my online business, I have to regularly follow news about Google updates. Since Google updates are an important part of running a website, in this video I will provide you with an information on the latest Google update and how it can affect traffic to Redbubble and many other POD websites. For people who don't know, Google is performing updates to its ranking algorithm that are designed to improve the quality and relevance of Google search results. And one of the latest is called Spam Update, which is a new search ranking algorithm update targeting the more spammy side of the search results. And to be fair, Redbubble and probably also other POD platforms are, in my opinion, websites with tons of spammy content. Let me explain to you what I mean with this. When you upload a design on Redbubble, then the usual practice of Redbubble is to take a title and put a product type at the end of the title and then index this listing. Indexing means that the listing is accepted by Google and will appear in search results. The issue with this common Redbubble practice is that your design will be indexed with all the products you enabled. Your design will be indexed and get a unique URL for stickers, t-shirts, pillows, and there are another 80 products you can enable in your listing, which is crazy, and it creates something called duplicate content, which is considered as a spammy behavior. To avoid this spamming, most website developers are de-indexing tags and sometimes even categories from Google search. And I think Redbubble is doing something very similar to avoid Google penalty. I have personal experience with Google Core Update. It affects one of my new websites and it almost wipes out my traffic from Google search. It has been almost a year and I'm still trying to recover this website from the impact of Google Update, with little success. And if you think Redbubble is so large it cannot be afraid of Google, then you are wrong. There are three main sources that are driving traffic to Redbubble. The first is direct traffic. Almost 30% of people go to the website directly by typing Redbubble in the search bar. The second source is from social media, but this is only 8%. The third, but also the most important source of traffic for Redbubble is from search results. Almost 50% of 30 million monthly users are visiting the platform from Google or other search engines, which is the reason why you need to focus on ranking on Google and have SEO optimized listing. And it is also a reason why Redbubble is trying to lower the impact of the Google Spam Update. I don't know what everything is going on, but one of the worst things Redbubble is doing is de-indexing some product listings. Take a look at my Nech Empire shop, which I'm using to test some methods I'm teaching you on this channel. I have 24 designs, and even when I have only 10 products available on each design, I have to get 240 listings indexed by Google. This is simple math, 24 titles times 10 products for each title. While this will never happen, because Google is trying to give you the most relevant results, I should see at least around 10 designs indexed in the search results. To check how many designs are indexed by Google, use this search operator but put your own shop name here. And you can see, in reality, I have two index designs. Two. One for a t-shirt and the second design is for an apron. While the number is changing almost every day, two index designs are crazy low. In my opinion, there is something odd happening right now on Redbubble, and we can do anything about it. When you have a website, you can easily re-index your article to Google through the Google Search Console. But when you are selling through marketplaces like Redbubble, Etsy, Amazon or Spreadshirt, you have absolutely no control over this. So, what should you do? It is said that this de-indexing is happening in the Q4, where most of the sales are made, and it is also said we can do nothing about it. I'm a strong supporter of diversification. It simply means if you are serious about selling your designs online, you need to upload your art to multiple marketplaces, and probably the best you can do is to start your own websites. Then you can have absolute control about your listing, and to be honest, creating a website is not difficult when using services like Shopify, WordPress or Wix. I hope this video was helpful, and if you want, like, comment and subscribe. All your effort will be appreciated.